Moving to a new state can feel like a huge leap, but with the right support, it doesn't have to be overwhelming. I've helped hundreds of families relocate to North Carolina, and what they all need is a clear process and local guidance. Step one is a simple consultation to learn what you're looking for: schools, commute time, lifestyle, and must have features in a home. I then tailor a relocation plan just for you, including access to a curated home search, trusted local vendors, virtual tours, and planning tools to make the transition seamless. The Triangle area offers something for everyone, whether you're moving for work, retirement, or a better quality of life. And with me as your guide, you'll have a dedicated expert from start to finish. Let's make your relocation to North Carolina smooth and successful. Call me today at 919-740-0379 or visit us online at thehoffmanrealtygroup.com.